Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and this is my pet lamb, and the lamb's name is Snowie. Little live pets, and it says I walk. So let me show you. Comes with a leash, and she's walking her little lamb. It says try me. It says feed me, my tail wags, and try me. So let's see. Robbie, see how it works. There's a button to push. Oh, it's over here. See the tail wiggles? Oh, I like this. Everybody would think I have a pet. Okay. It says there's 25, so let's do a few. Has a little drink bottle that you can put in its mouth. I want to see that some more. Okay, I want to see what's on back. So it says my tail wags, soft ears, super soft wool coat, feed me, I make sounds. Oh, so when you feed them, it makes sounds. Walk on a leash. I dance to my own music. Let me see if I can figure out how to make sounds when you feed it. Oh, wow. So when you put that bottle into her mouth, I'm going to press in her mouth and you'll see. Oh, she burped. I want to hear her burp again. Hold on. Somebody's going by. Okay, and this one is, let's see how much it is. I had to move it because I couldn't see in the, I'm not sure where I got it from. Oh, up here. So it's Little Live Pets, and she is $24.97, and I'm at Walmart in Florida.